Okay guys, we're back again with today's Hamster Kombat combo. As always, I know you guys has been expecting me, and I'll try as much as I can not to waste time because, as you guys already know, I always post Hamster Daily Card right here every day immediately it's released by Hamster. Just before I proceed, there's this important Telegram mining app that I feel the need to tell you guys. It's called Pixelverse. Guys, Pixelverse is just like the Notcoin of gaming, allowing users to earn money by engaging with a Telegram mini application, exactly like the way we tap Hamster Kombat and Notcoin. It's just that Pixelverse is much better than Hamster Kombat and even Notcoin. Wait, I know you guys will want to know why. Okay, chill, I'll tell you. Pixelverse has formed several partnerships with popular games in the space, such as Pixelmon and Param Labs. I'm sure we all know how popular Param that recently raised over $7 million in funding. Just as you guys are seeing right here, the partnership was announced by various top websites like CoinMarketCap, Game3, and many others. In just 2 months, the team launched 3 products publicly and announced partnerships with the most hyped game Pixelmon, Trust Wallet, and SafePal. And the sweetest of all is that the token is going to be listed on all exchanges by June, which means you can cash out all the token we've mined, unlike Hamster Kombat that we're not sure when it's launching yet. Guys, trust me, it can't get better than this. Hurry and go download this Telegram mini app and start tapping. I'll drop the link to register in this video's description and also pin it in the comment section. That being said, let's move to the main topic. As you can see, my profit per hour has made for me 1.9 million tokens. As always, click on mine. The first 2 cards that we need are under specials. Click on specials. The first card that we want is the Web3 Academy launch. This is it. Click on it, then click go ahead. That will be our first card. Our second card is App Center listing. Look for App Center listing. This is it. I'm gonna spend 2 million tokens because I upgraded it to level 12. In your case, it may be lower. Click on App Center listing. That is the second card. Our last card is under Per and Team. It's under this section. The card that we are looking for is the BDV team. This is the card that we are looking for. Click on Go Ahead. Those will be the 3 cards that we are looking for today. App Center listing, BDV team, and Web3 Academy launch. Click on Take the Prize, and you will be good to go. These are today's daily combo cards. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below if you are facing any issues. I'll be glad to help you. Peace. Peace.